Hey guys, and welcome to a realm where creativity meets brands. Join us as we delve into the realm of brand design on Fiverr, where skilled designers can transform your ideas into beautiful, tangible creations. In this video, we'll introduce you to a marketplace buzzing with possibilities for business card, flyer, and more. And to start with this wonderful service on Fiverr, simply head on over to Brand Design Fiverr and choose this one here. So, like you see with me here, Fiverr offers a diverse array of brand design services to cater to various needs, whether you require business card, flyer, brochures, posters, packaging, or any other printed material. You can find skilled designers who specialize in creating visually appealing and professional brand designs. And also it allows you to collaborate with designers who can create custom brand design tailored to your specific requirements. You can provide your branding guidelines, preferred style, and any specific elements you want to include, ensuring that the final designs align with your vision and effectively convey your message. And here you will find all the key features that you absolutely gonna need on Fiverr, and also the search bar. If you have anything specific in your head you want to search about it, by the color, the name of the seller, the purpose that why you want this service on Fiverr, and also the notification, the inbox, the list, and the others. And also here you will find your account, and I showed you before how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos in my channel to see how to create an account on Fiverr. Here you will find your profile, to post requests, refer friend, or if you want to become a seller, and also the setting, that means the password, username, the photo of the profile, and whatever you're gonna need on your account, and also the information about the billing and the payments, and if you want to change the language or the currency. And if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center, and if you want to log out from your account. So like you see here, each brand designer on Fiverr has a portfolio showcasing their previous brand design projects, giving you a glimpse into their style, versatility, and attention to details. Additionally, you can read reviews and rating from previous clients on sees the designer's professionalism and ability to meet brand design expectation. We will see this later. And also the collaboration and the communication. The Fiverr's platform provide convenient tool for communication and collaboration between clients and designers. You can discuss your brand design needs, provide feedback, and change files directly on the platform, facilitating smooth workflow and effective communication throughout the design process. Like example, let me show you. If you like example want a gig from this one, if you like this one and you want to keep it for later, you need just to click on this heart here to save it to the list to find it later in this small heart here. Now let me show you how to buy a gig. So first thing, you need to choose the gig that you want, like example this one here. This is the information that you need to know before you decide to buy a gig. The first thing is the seller, his level, the sentence that he presents his gig for you. Like example this one is say, I will do professional and brands ready wine label design, the stars that the gig gets, how many people buy the gig, and the price is will be from $35. And later I will show you why it's from and not specifically 35. To buy the gig, simply click on the page or the picture, and you will see all the designs for the same gig. This one is about the wine, and read the information about the gig here. And this is the information about the seller, the language, the country or the localization, and when he is a member, and also the last delivery is about 2 hours, and also some overview from another persons. You can just read them to be confident that you want to buy the gig. like this by example. You see amazing work and super communicative through a simple process. If you're hesitating, don't be studio, does amazing work and you want to regret it, and more commands like these. So the first step that you need to do to buy the gig is by choosing a plan. We have 3 plans over here: the basic, the standard, and the premium, with of course 3 different prices. The basic is the most cheap one, is with $35. With the services here, you will save up to 50% with the subscribe to save. Wine grower perfect wine label will or where no legal information is requirement or required on the label. Front label only. You have 1 day delivery, unlimited revision. You have 1 item, 1 initial concept, and 3D mockup. For the standard one is with $45. You will save up to 50% with the subscribe to save. Winemaker wine label with legal information on the front or the front and or back label. You have 2 days delivery, unlimited revision. You have 1 item, 1 initial concept, front and back design, 3D mockup, and include source file. For the premium, always will be the most expensive one. It's with $85. Save up to 50% with the subscribe to save. Winery label design for max. 3 variation of wine, e.g. red, white, rose, etc. You have 3 days delivery, unlimited revision. 3 items, 1 initial concept, front and back design, 3D mockup, and include source file. After you choose the perfect plan for you, you need just to continue from this button over here and choose the quantity from this plus and here. Of course, the price will be different. And also if you want to add a service, a unique service from this one here with their own price. Of course, if you want to add an additional revision, you will add 1 day for delivery. And if you want to add include source file, after just clicking on this, you will add it, and you can change the quantity from here and click on continue. So before you complete the information about the payments, you need to get sure from this information here. The total will be $39.43 and the total delivery time will be 1 day. So after that, you need to choose the payment method. We have 2 options: by credit and debit card or by PayPal. If you choose the credit card, you need to get your card number. It's contained in 16 number. It's you will find it front of the card, and also the expiration dates, the month, the year, the security code, the first and the last name, and it should be legal. And after that, you need just to confirm and pay. And if you choose by PayPal, you need just to click on this blue button here, the PayPal checkout, and you will buy the gig successfully. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you guys understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like these. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website.